Whether you're an influencer, an affiliate marketer, or a business owner, you can now create a complete video simply by uploading your product, image, and a reference video just like the one you're seeing now. So today we're going to learn how to create interactive UGC-style content using a website called Topview AI. This video recreation tool is powered by the latest Sora 2 model, and it doesn't stop there. It also includes an agent mode, which lets you describe exactly how you want your video to look. The system then generates it for you in just a minute. Okay, let's quickly learn how to use this tool properly, step by step. First, visit Topview AI using the link in the description. Okay, after you log into the site, you'll see this interface. Here, you need to upload your product image and the reference video. For this demonstration, I'll be using two sample products, a pair of women's jeans and a stylish pair of sunglasses. Okay, let's add our product images. I'll copy this Amazon link and click Add Image. Here, you can either upload your product images directly or import them using a link. Okay, the images are now imported. Select the suitable images from here and then click Apply. Now, let's upload the reference video. You can use any TikTok or Instagram video as your source. And you can either use the default generated prompt or replace it with your own custom prompt like this. Okay, now you'll see the video agent begin gathering information. It analyzes the reference video and starts generating the video scenarios for you. Once the analysis is complete, it will ask you to review and confirm the scenes it created for your video. Here, you can confirm your video ad details, such as the character settings and the video resolution. Once you're happy with everything, click Confirm. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, if you're satisfied with the storyboard, click Confirm to start generating the video, and then simply wait for the final result. Okay, now our ad has been generated. Remember, you can also edit the video or request a new version from this page. Now let's take a look at the result and compare it with the original reference video.
Okay, you have to see these new wide leg jeans. The fit is so flattering and the leg wash is perfect for any season. They're super comfortable and make your legs look a mile long. I'm obsessed. You seriously need to get a pair.
That was amazing. Now let's quickly generate an ad video for our sunglasses.
You know those super expensive sunglasses everyone wears for hiking and fishing? Well, I found the perfect affordable option. These are the Cast King Takoa. They have amazing polarized lenses and look so good. You have to check them out.
Perfect, and that's how you can generate a super realistic ad for your product. You no longer need to hire influencers. Just use this tool to promote your product and go viral on TikTok. And as a surprise, I have some good news. If you subscribe to their membership, you'll get unlimited access to Nano Banana Pro for an entire year. And just like that, you can see how easily I generated a creative ad for the sunglasses. Awesome. With Topview AI, you can now create amazing ads for your products and so much more. Please share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.